So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can already see from the title, this video was suggested by um um my new friend called his name was I think his name was Drazy. Yeah, DRIZZY. Drazy. Yeah, that was his name. So now let's get. I don't really have intro. So first, follow this. So you have to first do 2 blocks high, like uh, 2 blocks high here. So follow the steps closely. Dizzy, whatever your name was, I'm just gonna tell you Dizzy, call you Dizzy, sorry, not tell you. The heck, what the heck. What? So wait a minute, I forgot the hairstyle. Oh yeah, it's like that. And so, so yeah, so follow the hair steps closely. So first you need to put 2 blocks to high up, high 2 blocks, and then like make a triangle thing, and then do this, and then click paint bucket, and then paint it all. So and then like paint the eyes brown, and like Dizzy, I've so click this area. I'm giving you some time to click this area. If you can make the skin and click that area, sorry, click like choose any type of skin color. I'm gonna choose this skin color. So it's not for you guys, it's this video is just suggested by my bestie, not bestie, my friend. This video was suggested by my friend to make a skin. So first you make the head like this, and then go to the back, and then like pick some red colors, because he said red hoodie. So and then do like this, and then do this. So as you can see, the hoodie's done, and now I don't know, make the ears or something. Yeah, make this ears. So and voila, so the head is done. And now for the clothes, and now do this. So your hoodie is actually done. So now what you need is just this head, not head, but yeah, whatever. And voila, it's coming, not coming well, but yeah, you know what, painted all bad, not bad, but never mind. And yes, yes, I'm gonna make future videos with my friends now, and soon my face reveal is gonna be coming in 100 subscribers or 5,000 subscribers, I don't really want to tell you guys when my face reveal is gonna be coming, but I have to, because you guys are gonna be like, nah, we're not subscribing to him, he's not even telling us. Oh wait, this. Okay, so wait. Is it? So yeah, so you just kind of have to do this. Oh wait, hold up. I'm sorry, I just messed the whole thing up. So yeah, okay, so okay, that is not perfect. What? What is that? What the F is that? What the F is that? What the heck? What? 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 What is this? Oopsies. Ignore that I just burped, and if you didn't hear it, just ignore me then. Yeah. So yeah. So this red hoodie is coming along pretty well. Like literally. And if you want to add some extra detail, I prefer making a mask, because a mask is always good to make, because I don't know why, but the mask makes extra details, adds extra details. So I prefer getting the mask, not getting the mask. I mean, yeah, whatever. So like yeah, and for the pants, I prefer going with any color, but I always go with black colors. So yeah. So guys, so the skin is has come along pretty well, and now, so guys, that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, and comment down below of your thoughts. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Thanks Dizzy for liking this. Bye.